okay? Okay. Well, let's just go. Hold on. We got him.
A little bit more! Holding! Tight as I can!
Maybe we need to pull him out the other side.
We need to pull from down there. Give him some slack. Everybody go, yeah. Oh shit, yeah, you don't want to tie it on. Let's give him a clip. And if, yeah, we can clip it on and just pull the raft.
I don't know, man. Not listening to guys.
Hey! Clip it onto that handle, clip it on. No, clip it onto the end of the rope. The end of the rope. There's a loop on the bottom of the rope. Yeah, yeah. Now we're gonna try to pendulum. We might have to let go and let him run the rapid. All right. Unclip it. Unclip it. No, hold on. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. He's good.
Oh, I can't believe you're holding on to that.
I can't either.
Welcome to dry land, buddy.
Oh, buddy, thank you, man.
Who else could be like jumble in there?
Dude,
You were in there for a fucking... He held on, dude. I could not believe you held on.
down.
All right, you good, man?
Yeah, dude.
You guys good?
Guys so much.
Yeah, no problem. Be safe out there.
See a blue dry bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you do, please.
Oh, nice.
Number on it.
Nice. Is that gonna be all right?
Yeah.
Yeah, just some flesh wounds.
These are from trees.
Yeah.